Hello, in case you're wondering, how do I turn in my Python notebook? How does that even happen? What's going on there? Let's go ahead and take a look. We go over to the top left-hand corner of this Jupyter notebook or Python notebook environment. We go to the File menu and choose Download. And there is the Python notebook downloaded. And then we go into Google Drive, make a folder. I called mine whatever, 4M Data Science or whatever. Share the folder with me. So go ahead and add me, go EE, and share the folder with me, E. Eisman at auburnschools.edu. Share the folder with me. Once you have shared the folder with me, go ahead and add the new homework file into that folder. Now, once you've created this folder and shared it with me, you don't have to do it for every other assignment. Just make sure you share the folder with me and then put your assignment, your Python notebook, into the folder. And then you can see this is the most recent one because I just did that. And then you can go into your class, into your particular class, like 4M Python programming or whatever class that you have me for, that you're turning it in for. And then you go to that assignment, you go view assignment, add or create, and then go select Google Drive, and then from Google Drive, and then it will pop up there, and then you can turn it in. That's how it works. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.